welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Perris, and I will be an unboxing from Into the AM. Now, recently, Into the AM has released a t-shirt month club where basically you could get their t-shirts for $15. One t-shirt every month will be sent to you. Normally their shirts are anywhere between $25 all the way up to $30, so you're getting a very good deal. And these shirts are their latest designs, so I don't even know what type of shirt this is. I got an XL last time and it was a little big on me that I prefer, so I am trying a large just to see if it'll fit better. So yeah. I also just bought a mystery jogger, so whenever I get that in, I will definitely make sure to do an unboxing and a review on it. Let's get into it. And again, these are the graphic tees. So we have, thanks for joining the t-shirt club. How to sign up. Manage and enjoy. So there's that. Not really concerned too much about that. My receipt. You guys don't need to see that. And open up this bag with the shirt. Ooh, this is soft. I really like this material. Let's see. What is it made out of? This is my second graphic shirt I've received from them. The other one I had, I'll insert a picture of it. It was an astronaut, I believe. So, this is the large. Yeah, this looks good. It looks like an alien. Some of their shirts are actually glow in the dark. So I'm going to check out and see if the shirt actually glows in the dark. That's a large. And this is made out of, let's see, it says 60% cotton and 40% polyester, so it will shrink just a little bit. Just keep that in mind, it will shrink. But yeah, there's this cool alien guy. It's really cool, it's sick. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, so my other graphic shirt I had, this kind of have like a 3D type printing on it, where, I don't know if you can see, but like, it kind of is raised just a little bit, and you can feel it, the print. But I've washed my other shirt multiple times, and none of the color has faded, and it just shrunk just a teeny bit, because again, it is made out of cotton, so be aware of that. But yeah, it looks good. I'll try it on in just a second, and I'll show you guys. But it has the Into the AM logo in the back, and most of the time, they do have it in the bottom. So there's a little logo at the bottom of the shirt. Man, I didn't realize he was holding a fiery ball. That's nice. Okay. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, pretty much every product that you get from Into the AM has this attached to it. It's a tag, but also is a peel off sticker, so you can peel it off, and it's a sticker type thing. So I put it on my laptop, I've put it on the back of my car, it pretty much sticks everywhere, and it's very long lasting. So that is another good perk that Into the AM has. You guys have a good one.